So you want to use text-to-speech on your TikTok videos, and you've decided to use Murf AI to have more individual voices than the standard TikTok ones. Today, we will provide a 3-step guide on getting up and running on Murf to make great content for TikTok. Let's get started. Number 1, upload your TikTok video into Murf and write up your script. First, you'll need to shoot your video and save it as an MP4 video file on your computer. Then head to Murf, log in, and create a new project. You can then upload your video file into Murf. The system will process this, and you will now have a timeline at the bottom of the screen that you can use to add narration via text-to-speech, and even add an audio soundtrack if you wish, all possible using the options at the top of the screen. Next, you'll need to write up your script. You can either type up what you want to say on your video on a separate file and upload it, or you can just head into the Voices section on the project and type it right into the field here. Murf will then break it down into small segments, like lines in a script, for the AI to read for you. You can preview each line to see how it sounds when read out by the Murf AI. Number 2, choose the right voice and sounds for your TikTok video. Now you've got your script ready to go. It's time to select a voice. Murf has a wide selection of voices that you can browse. Only selected voices are available on free accounts, with more voices available on paid plans. Take a listen to the voices available to you and pick one that fits your video style and your own personality. It's important that the voice that you pick sounds good, so make sure you take the time to preview your script and the different voices you find to make sure you've got a good fit for your video. You can also upload some background music, which can help make some voices sound even better when speaking your script. You can even change the AI voice settings to add more pauses, emphasis, or change the way words are pronounced to make them sound more human, as well as changing the read style of each voice. There are many settings here that you don't need to use, but we recommend trying them out to see what works for you. Number 3, downloading the finished Murf project for TikTok. Once you've got everything sounding how you want it to sound in Murf, hit the Export button and select Video. This will download your video. Now with the added text-to-speech from Murf, save the file in the same MP4 format and you're ready to head over to TikTok. Now, go to Post a New TikTok Video and browse your device gallery, selecting the video you just downloaded from Murf. Just like that, your video with the added voiceover will now be uploaded and posted to your TikTok profile, and you now have a video with an awesome AI text-to-speech for your TikTok channel, which is more unique and appealing to viewers than videos created using the speech function from TikTok, helping you to stand out from the crowd and gain more followers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.